Andarki namaskaram. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Dharmala Lalita Shri. I have completed my LLB in 2023, and I completed LLM recently from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar College of Law, Andhra University. This is to say that I started this channel mainly to help those who could not afford to pay hefty amounts with respect to judiciary coaching. I observed when I tried to avail coaching from various reputed institutions that it's not easy to gather insights. It's not easy, and I observed that within 3 months they are finishing off their coaching, and I did not felt that as a productive. And so as to impart the knowledge which I have acquired in the recent times, uh, I started this. Hope you all encourage me by supporting me and following me.